Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're going to dive into the Layer 3 token, the staking rewards, and some of the cool quests and campaigns that they have going on since the launch of the L3 token. So a lot of cool stuff. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these staking exclusive rewards from Layer 3. They have launched their token, the L3 token. You can stake your tokens for rewards. You can participate in other exclusive campaigns if you stake a certain number of tokens, and we will dive into this and the rewards and more. If you ever have any questions or comments or need any help navigating this, please jump in the Discord. We have a link in the description below. A lot of amazing people in the community that can help answer pretty much any questions you may have. So get in there and reach out to us one-on-one, and we'll help you with pretty much anything that you may have trouble with in this space. So yeah, so let's get into it. Enough of that. But thank you to everyone in the Discord, and those of you who are new, welcome. Thank you. And Layer 3, yeah, they launched their token, so a lot of cool stuff. You can stake. I decided to stake all of my tokens from my main wallet for a year, so I can't touch it or do anything, so it's just steadily increasing my allocation. So I've gotten, even though the market's taken a big dump, I could have gotten double this by selling at the open, but it is what it is. You never know what the markets will do or the token will do. So this is long-term play. As you can see, I got it locked for 12 months. And with the staking rewards, you can earn, or you can gain access to special collections like these staker mini drops, where if you staked 1,000 Layer 3 tokens or 5,000 or 10,000, you get access to these quests. Each one has a special reward with it. So for this one, it was stake 1,000 Layer 3 and you get 7 Arbitrum tokens. You have to have at least 200 cubes. So they're kind of working on paying you back for all the fees and stuff you may have incurred over the years farming this. And then stake 5,000 tokens, earn 9.6 OP. So this is they're really looking at finding ways of incentivizing their users, people who actually are participating in the protocol and the project by staking their tokens or locking them up. And then they have a certain number of participants on some of them, but this was 0.01 Ethereum. So that was about $30 before we dropped under 3,000. But still, I mean, it's pretty unique. And then they have these unlocking very soon. They have the cube mini drops, which you have to stake a minimum required number. So this goes up to 10,000 and you get a reward. I don't know how much Bitcoin you'll get or any of these, but yeah, so these unlock, but you have to have at least that many cubes or more. So I'm working on my 900 right now. I don't think I'll make it to 1,000 in 25 days, but I think I can make it to 900. So those are pretty cool. Like I said, there's an interoperability campaign where each one of these is a different project. And in order to complete this, you need to have at least 1,000 tokens staked. So I think I have one that I haven't done yet. So Renzo protocol, I have to complete this previous quest and have 1,000 Layer 3 tokens staked and bridge at least 0.01 easy ETH from base to Linea. So I don't know if I have 0.01 in base right now. No, so I'll do that at a later time, but what I can do is come here and open the bridge and then bridge that much. But this is more so about the Layer 3 token, the rewards, staking mechanism, and the different rewards they're giving out. And the races too. So they have these races, and yesterday there was a Friday stakers race that I was able to participate in. You have to have at least 5,000 tokens staked for 12 months. So the minimum lockup period to participate in this race was 12-month lockup with 5,000 tokens, and only 777 people were eligible. So the top 234, which I was, boom, right in here. Where was I at? I finished 120. Nice. So I got 48 OP tokens. So that was about $75 just for coming in here and making a transaction on the Optimism network. So I did a token swap. I got in this race right at the open, right when it launched. So it was maybe 5 minutes and it was done. or 10 minutes. But getting in the 3x right here is key. So that's another thing you want to keep in mind when being here. So the L3 race, they had a stake exclusive. I didn't make it to this one. Dang, 64 ARB. That would have been nice. So I missed that. You have to have at least 5,000 tokens staked for 12 months. So yeah, it's a... Oh, and this is the Hyperlane bridge if you want to complete this, but I'm going to close that. So these are pretty cool ways of them, giving back to the community. I know these tokens also come from grants that Layer 3 received from, Arbitrum and Optimism for their contribution to the networks. So Layer 3 doesn't just focus on one specific network, obviously by now, but they submit grant proposals to these networks saying, hey, we bring this many people to your network and we have this much usage and we work with these projects, so can we get an allocation? And Layer 3, they provide a lot of onboarding for new users and make it really easy for you to navigate the space and learn about new projects. But really cool, really cool. Keep an eye out for these races because they don't really post them like that. It's not, you got to stay in the Discord because it's very active. It's usually around like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. Pacific time. But for me, yesterday it was last night. So I'm not sure what time zone they focus on, but keep an eye out on these and also the Cube mini drops. That way you can maximize your reward potential by staking and locking up your tokens. If you can afford to lock them up for a year, do it. My other profile, I staked it, but you can do an unlock. So I'm still gaining a little bit, but it's not locked up for a long period of time. But yeah, just wanted to bring this to your attention and show you the potential this project has going forward. I mean, it's already an amazing spot. And once we get more people onboarded and more projects using this, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. But I hope you enjoyed your Layer 3 experience. And, if you didn't get an allocation, I'm sorry. They do have a form that you can fill out in the Discord, so reach out to somebody there, submit a support ticket or something. But I'd rather see you get something and reach out to them and try and get something than just not do anything at all. But it's hard to get these airdrops perfect for everyone, man. I've been a part of some real shitty ones, so I've definitely been on the other side looking in. But just keep chugging along. Don't lose hope. Just keep grinding. The only way you're guaranteed not to ever get anything is by stopping. So if you stop now, you'll never get any rewards. So just keep going, keep pushing, and you'll get there. I promise. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.